Are you looking to understand the value of your business? If so, you need to tune in. So, at Peak Business Valuation, well, I should introduce myself. My name is Ryan Hutchins with Peak Business Valuation. We help 20 to 25 individuals a week understand the value of a business. And beyond that, I work with another 20 to 30 individuals who take advantage of our free consultation to discuss how to arrive at the value of a business and also address any other questions that they have about business valuation, about equipment appraisals, about buying a business, selling a business. That's what my team and I do. And the reason why we do this is years ago when I was starting out, I was an accountant and was vastly more interested in how the individuals built their businesses than doing their taxes. And so I joined a business valuation firm. And when I was at this firm, I had just come from an environment where I worked 80 to 90-hour weeks for 8 months out of the year. And I love what I did, but I was done. I was totally done with it. And so therefore I left and joined a business valuation firm and learned how to value tech companies. And when you get into the habit of valuing tech companies for purposes of stock option reporting or portfolio analysis, you come to realize that tech companies are fascinating companies and are not representative of Main Street. So working with small businesses and with individuals who, once they understand the value of their business, it can impact their daily decisions. And so for that purpose, I took a great interest in working only with small business owners at that business valuation firm. And I got to a point where not only was I understanding the theory, but I was also participating in sales as well as kind of managing our annual operating plan and training individuals. So I got to a point where I was like, gosh, I could do this on my own. And so I left that business valuation firm and started my own business valuation firm. And that was 5 years ago, which is absolutely mind blowing to me. And since then, our team has grown from myself and my wife, who is phenomenal at what she does. She creates content to a degree that has produced around 16 to 18,000 people coming to our website a month, trying to understand how businesses are valued. And so for that reason, we have been able to grow, and now we are a team of about 11 to 12 people. We're bringing on a new person at the end of August of 2023. And because we have been able to build a business around helping small business owners understand the value of a company, we work with individuals buying and selling businesses all across the country on a weekly basis, regardless of the industry. And it is absolutely phenomenal because the value of a business, once an individual understands that value, if they're looking to sell the company, they'll see that figure and be like, gosh, I could get so much more money for my business if I do X, Y, and Z. Or if they don't know what to do, we point out a couple of like low hanging fruit, like this is what you can do to change and build your business. And we go from there to, what am I trying to say? We go from there to kind of presenting those options to them, telling them how they can potentially improve and increase the value of their business. And if they want to work with specialized individuals that can help them build their company to a point where they can sell, then we make those introductions. Or if you're looking to buy a business, we work with individuals from a more so a due diligence standpoint of after they've entered into a letter of intent, now they can work with us to perform a business valuation, kind of point out red flags in their financials or the overall value of the business and say, hey, they're asking this, but you should be really transacting at this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons. Like, we want to help you in your due diligence so that you are buying the business at an appropriate price so that you're not essentially eating into future years of profit. Like, we want to ensure that you're making a good, sound investment today and making profit off of it today. So those are the two primary groups that we work with. We also work with banks. We work with SBA lenders all across the country. So if you're looking to buy a business, we can help you kind of get introduced to different lenders that would be of service to you because they have experience in your space and they are phenomenal what they do. And so we only want to introduce you to the best people. Um, that's what we do, and I love it. It is one of my favorite things to do is help individuals and help them address questions. So for instance, I just got off a phenomenal call with 3 individuals that are going through a partnership buyout. 2 of them are buying out the third partner. And just discussing with them our valuation process, how we perform it, what sets us apart from other business valuation firms, we were able to have a more in-depth dialogue and make sure that everyone's comments are heard, because there's quantitative factors relative to your financials, but there's a lot of qualitative information that we need to collect as a business valuation firm in order to provide a informed conclusion of value for the company that we're valuing. So if you want to understand the value of your business, or you want to understand the value of a piece of equipment or all your equipment at, let's say, a FedEx for all your trucks, or your machine shop, like, we can help you with both understanding the value of a business, understanding the value of equipment. We also perform what's known as feasibility studies, which kind of dig into a particular market and help you assess a particular investment. We also perform quality of earnings, which most individuals don't need when buying a business or selling a business. But a quality of earnings is essentially, it's looking at your financials and verifying that what you're reporting from a revenue or an expense standpoint is appropriate and relative to the operations of the business. So I'll end it there, because you're not wanting to watch a 7-minute YouTube video, or maybe you do. But I want to provide the best quality of information possible for individuals looking to understand the value of a business. And if that's you, you need to reach out to Peak Business Valuation at 435-359-2684, or just visit us at our website, peakbusinessvaluation.com. And another way you could find us is if you're, let's say, for instance, you're looking for on Google how to value a contracting business. We'll pop up in the first 3 results on Google. So look us up, read about us, understand us. We have 385-star Google reviews. We have video testimonials. We want to make this process seamless, and we want to be the chosen valuation vendor for you, because we truly care about making sure that you understand the value of a business. And once you understand the value of a business, what do you do next? So reach out to Peak 435-359-2684, and let's schedule that call, because I will be on that call with you, and I am excited to speak with you. So have a great day.